Today, I'll help you solve how to add transition effects in Clipchamp. So let's get started. Head over to clipchamp.com and over on the top right corner, you're going to find try for free. Let's click on it and you will be redirected to the Clipchamp dashboard. Over here, let's click on create a new video. It's going to open up the edit page and let's add to stock footage. To do so, you can go over on the left hand side where the buttons are visible. We will click on content library and below it, we're going to find videos. Just go into any of these collections. I'll just choose Clipchamp selects and I'm going to add this one. So let's add this to our timeline and let's add another one to our timeline as well. You can only use the free ones if you are not subscribed to a paid plan. Like these, they are paid videos. They have these yellow icon with a diamond on it. These are free ones. Let's add this one to the timeline. Now to add a transition between these two clips, you can go over to the left hand side. You'll find this transitions button. Click it and you will find a lot of transitions available here. If you hover on each of these icons, you will be able to see the transitions play. Now let's say I like this one and I want to add it between these two clips. I can click it and drag it over to the timeline. Between these two clips, we will have this add transition button. This green button. Just drop it over here and it's going to add it. Now if we either click on this play button or press space on our keyboard, it will play the timeline and we will be able to see the transition like this. So this is how you can add transition between two clips in Clipchamp. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know with a like and comment.